Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create custom responsive buttons in Wix Studio. The process is very simple and easy. Hopefully in this video I will be guiding you through the whole process. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix Studio. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password. You have to enter an email address, and you can also use it by using your Google account. After that, this is the type of the dashboard that is going to appear on your screen. Now, first thing, you have to go to this create new site because you gotta create a site in order to add the type of the button you're looking for. For that, what we are going to do is go to this option of create new site. Here you see, you can also use the studio templates if you're looking for much of a less labor route and you want something unique, you want something, any idea from your Wix Studio and this and that. Okay, so you can also use the Studio blank canvas if you have some idea of your own and you want to start something from the scratch and you are not looking for the same boring templates that Wix Studio provides. You can also use the Studio sitemap and wireframes, Wix editor, and you can also use your own template if you have any. But I like to use the Studio templates because once I type the topic, it gives me the templates according to that topic. So let's just say I am looking for, dress. I type here dress and it gives me the dresses. Here you see, there are so many like this. Let's just click at this one. When I click on this, it is going to take less than a minute to load a site for you where you will be able to add a number of different options on your Wix Studio site. You see, it is going to make each and every feature secure for you so that it will be easy for you to add those. Here, after it loads the site, you will be able to add the buttons. Now, the buttons in Wix Studio mostly behave weird manner because they behave in a weird manner because they are not responsive to the screen. Let me just show you guys that how they behave. Let's just do a thing that we go to this option of add elements. It just loads the inspector. Here you see there's an option of button. I click on it and this is the button that is present. Let me use the option of drag and drop to change the location. Let's just say it is present over here, and let me just remove this text. Okay, let's just say this is present over here. Now, let's just say that I change the size of the screen and check it out on the desktop mode and on the tablet. You see, this is not responsive to the screen. You see here, the button has become, it is of the same size, but the text you see is very small. This is not responsive to the screen because it does not change its size according to the size of the screen. Let's just say somebody is watching your site or viewing your site on a mobile. This is how the button is going to appear, and this does not look attractive at all. So what I usually do is that I go to the option of, here I go to the option of, after deleting this because I don't need it right now. So move to the option of add elements. Here you see the option of container. You have to enter a container. Then you have to go to the elements again, go to the title, drag and drop and edit the text here. Let's just say click me. When you click, yeah. Here, now what I'm going to do is adjust the size. Let's just say I want to place it in the center. We align it to the center, and I'm going to change the size. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the width to maximum content, and you see now this is in the center. What I'm going to do is go to this option of adjust. Here you see there are different scales that are given. You can also change this. You can change the position. Now you can adjust these according to what you want. Now I'm going to click on this container. I'm going to be doing one thing. that I will be adjusting the size. Let's just say I adjust the height to 50 and adjust the width to 50 as well. Not 50, let's say 60. Not even 60. Then just go back. Okay, we are going to change the size to 80. This is still not it. So let's just manually hold it because it is in our control. And align the text in the center. It is in the center. Okay. So this is how I have aligned it. You see, now I've got to change the color. I've got to move to the background here. You see the color is white. I'm going to be changing it to, let's just say I want it to be black and or gray, so that this is visible. Or you can also add more colors to this option of colors. Here you see there are so many options. You can also click on any of these. Let's just say I'm looking for this, or I'm looking for this. I'm going to be clicking on applying, and you can use this color as well. When you click on this, you see there are so many options. You could click any of these, but right now I'm looking and more focusing on this. So change the color. Okay. So what we're looking for right now is changing the color. Click on the colors. And that is it. This is how you have added the color. This is a container. Now place it wherever you want. Go to the animations. Here you have to go to the hover. Click on add. After clicking on add, you see the option of custom. You can customize the animation. Do the thing, whatever is necessary over here, and click on done. When you're done, you have to go to this option of add elements. You have to go to the button. When you click on this option of button, you have to stretch the option of button, and you have to change the text of buttons to nothing. And yeah, let's just change the opacity of the button first. You see, this is the button. What I'm going to do is drag it again, and I have to go to this option of design. Here you see you have to make the necessary changes according to what you want, but I'm going to be changing the background color to nil because I don't want it, and I'm going to be changing the text to 0 because I don't want no text as well. So after this, you have to set the box according to what it is. I am using this button because I need the option of linking it. So you see this is the link, and now you can link it to whatever you want. And you can also see that even in the mobile mode, this is going to, the size is the one which is with the text, and the size of the box both are responsive. Similarly, you can also check it out that the box, and this is actually, the size is responsive to the size of the text, the size of the box is responsive to the size of the text, and the size of the text is responsive to the box, and that is in return responsible to the size of the screen that we're using. So this is mostly what I do, and this is how it makes it look more appealing. You can also make it talk to the center, or you can also use this to align it to the center, or yeah, you can also change the width if you want, and you have to make the necessary changes in order to make it look more appealing to whatever you want, because this video is just for the sake of the video, so I have done my thing. In the end, this is how you are going to create the button, and it is going to be responsive. I hope it was easy for you guys, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.